Looking for a light, delicious, and satisfying salad? This recipe is packed with fresh ingredients that can be a great addition to a balanced diet. Today we're combining crunchy cucumber, sweet corn, fresh dill, creamy yogurt, onion, and crunchy walnuts. First, chop the cucumber and onion. Then add the sweet corn and freshly chopped dill. Next, mix in the creamy yogurt and finish with chopped walnuts for extra crunch and healthy fats. This salad is rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats, making it filling and refreshing at the same time. It can help you stay satisfied for longer and makes a perfect choice for lunch, dinner, or a healthy snack. Simple, nutritious, and incredibly delicious. Give this healthy salad a try.